Here's how to render in Adobe After Effects. Make sure that your in and out points are set on your timeline to where you want your render to start and end. Go to File, then Export, then Add to Render Queue. You'll now see it in your render queue at the bottom here. Click Best Settings here next to Render Settings to adjust your render settings, such as quality and resolution. Now click Lossless next to Output module here. Here you can adjust your video format and audio codec. Finally, click Next to Output 2 to choose your destination folder and file name. Once you're happy with all your settings, click Render here and your video will render to your output destination.